Welcome to our tutorial on how to find the right employees using staff augmentation. Clearly outline the skills and experience required for your projects to ensure you find the most suitable professionals. Collaborate with established staff augmentation firms with a proven track record and a robust talent network. Look for augmented staff who not only have the right skills, but also align with your company's culture and values. Assess potential hires' previous projects and seek feedback from their past clients or employers. Develop a structured onboarding process to integrate new staff effectively and foster collaboration with existing teams. That's it. Follow these 5 points to streamline your search for ideal talent through staff augmentation. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.